everyone, I just wanted to do a Kathy Jade haul. They're a company from Taiwan. Here we have an example of their packaging. Every jade piece comes in a very lovely leather box along with a velvet pouch that showcases their logo. Here you can see that I'm unboxing the pouch. It has a drawstring mechanism. And within that pouch, there's a harder Ziploc bag. The harder Ziploc bag really protects and keeps everything inside. And they also have a layer of bubble wrap under. Here you can see that the bangle is wrapped very nicely with wax paper to prevent any scratching. And I really love their variety of bangles. I think they have a very diverse set of bangle styles, different colors and different sizes, and you can really see how shiny and properly polished this bangle is. So I have a few examples. From right to left, there is a green bangle that is roughly $291 US, and then in the middle there is a piaohua bangle with a lavender hue on the background, which makes it very unique. And then there's also another piaohua on a green background for this type of bangle. It's also roughly $291. And if I'm not mistaken, all of these should be bingnuo zong, which means they're like an icy glutinous rice type of jade. The bottom is also another piaohua for roughly the same. And here you can see that I'm showcasing a few 18 karat gold pendants. This is a purple ping'anko, which is like a peace button type of sort. It's a very classical Chinese design. So there's a purple and green one. So they can do a lot of customizable gold jewelry upon request. And last but not least, everything comes with certification. And the certification comes in English and it explains the value of it, so I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching!